I just finished looking through Amazon to find some super cute wired ribbon option for my spring and summer wreaths. Let me show you how I find the best ribbon deals on Amazon and my top picks for the spring and summer. Welcome to Stillwater's Wreath Designs. Come on in. Open up your Amazon app and type in wired ribbon bundles. Then click your filter option. Scroll all the way to the bottom of your filters list and then choose the 4 stars and up in the customer review section. Then click show the results. That's all there is to it. Start scrolling through your options and choose what suits your style best. I always try to get a combination of 1.5 inch wired ribbon and 2.5 inch wired ribbon. Okay, let me show you my top picks. You can find links for all the ribbons that I'm about to show you below in the description of this video.